Crafting the art of argument, making your thesis debatable. Hey everyone! Today we'll dive deep into a fundamental component of a strong thesis statement, making it arguable and debatable. Understanding this will not only enhance your GMAT and GRE essay writing skills but will also elevate your general argumentative writing prowess. First things first, what do we mean by arguable? An arguable thesis means that the statement isn't just an obvious fact or observation. Instead, it's a position that could be supported, but also contradicted. Imagine stating, "Water is wet." This isn't arguable since it's a clear fact. But, drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day is essential for health. Is arguable because some might believe you need more or less water, or that other factors play a bigger role in health. Now, let's understand debatable. A debatable thesis is one where reasonable people could hold different opinions about it. It's not just about taking the opposite viewpoint, but about genuine differences in perspectives. For instance, global warming is a serious concern. Might seem like a statement most agree with. However, the debatable part could come in when discussing the main causes or solutions for global warming. Having a thesis that is both arguable and debatable. 1. Engages the reader. It piques interest because there's a clear indication that there's more to explore. 2. Adds depth to your essay. It allows for the exploration of counter-arguments, which can make your essay richer and more comprehensive. 3. Strengthens your position. By addressing potential counter-arguments, you can reinforce your own stance, showcasing a well-thought-out perspective. 1. Avoid facts or universal truths. If it's a widely accepted fact, it's not arguable. 2. Seek feedback. Before finalizing your thesis, discuss it with peers or mentors. If they immediately agree with it, it might not be debatable enough. 3. Test your thesis. Try arguing against your own statement. If you can find strong counter-arguments, you're on the right track. 4. Stay specific. Broad statements are harder to debate. Narrowing down your topic can help in creating a more debatable thesis. And that wraps up our discussion on crafting an arguable and debatable thesis statement. Remember, the strength of your essay often hinges on the power of your thesis. Keep it intriguing, keep it debatable, and always strive for clarity. I hope this video has illuminated the path to making your thesis statements even stronger. Happy writing!